Is Philip and Meghan London a total scam, or can you trust them with your money? I've spent the last week digging into their website, recent reviews, and what actual shoppers are saying in April 2026. So here's the truth in 2 minutes. Let's start with the basics. The Philip and Meghan London website looks polished, with tons of glowing testimonials and flashy promises. But dig a bit deeper, and things get sketchy fast. First red flag? Independent review sites like Trustpilot give them a brutal 1-star rating. I found dozens of recent complaints from people who paid for items. Then, nothing. No delivery, no tracking, no response from customer service. Not even a sorry, we're running late. If that wasn't enough, several buyers mentioned that items, if they arrive, are shipped from China, not the UK as advertised. The result? Cheap quality, expensive returns, and a total headache if you want a refund. Now, about those 2,000 plus happy customers and a 4.7 average rating you see on their homepage, that's just not matching up with real-world experiences. I found way more verified complaints about orders vanishing into thin air than satisfied reviews. Everywhere I looked, emails, social media, you name it, customers say support is basically a ghost town. So here's my mini verdict. If you're thinking about buying from Philip and Meghan London, proceed with extreme caution. If you've already ordered and nothing's shown up, contact your bank or credit card provider ASAP and start a chargeback. Don't let a pretty website fool you. Sometimes, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is.